Kids Meals was created to give hope to preschool children and their families who are living in poverty in food insecure homes, not knowing where their next meal is coming from. With the first Meals on Wheels for children, a hungry child is a disadvantaged child. Without healthy meals, children struggle physically, mentally, and socially. Hunger hampers a young person's ability to learn, and they become likely to suffer from poverty as an adult. Kids Meal is working to break this vicious cycle. Our goal is to end hunger among children in Houston, where 1 in 4 children are living in poverty. It doesn't have to be this way. There's plenty of food. What's missing is access to the food. Kids Meals is the vehicle to make that happen. We deliver directly to their doors, free of charge. Our strategic plan is for Kids Meals to serve 20% more children each year. Thanks to more than 9,000 volunteers, we can serve a child a healthy meal for only $1.75 per day. Just imagine, for only $30, you can feed 17 children. We also need reliable vans. And someday, our dream is to have our own building to allow us to prepare and store more food to reach families in desperate need. We're the only Meals on Wheels service in Texas for preschool children, delivering healthy lunches free of charge right to their doors. We make sure that children have at least one nutritious meal each weekday, battling vital hunger and health issues. For some of these children, this meal is all they get. They depend on a friendly face from Kids Meals to deliver a healthy lunch. We have 11 amazing staff members with passion to give these children a better life. We have a board of 20 dedicated leaders who not only give their time, but their dollars and resources. The lifeblood of the organization is our volunteers. Every day you can find volunteers at Kids Meals making sandwiches, packing lunches, and delivering meals. Our volunteers know that they are blessed to be a blessing to others. Our focus is on the number of meals served annually and controlling the total delivery cost per meal. We serve as a vital resource to the families to break the cycle of poverty and empower them to successfully move to a level where our services are no longer needed. We receive thank you letters and daily expressions of gratitude of how the food assistance and resources have carried them through very difficult times. When our intervention and assistance has helped to keep a family together, we know we are successful. When we see kids take the lead as the first in their families to graduate from high school, and some go on to college, we celebrate their accomplishment. But most of all, Kids Meals' success is evident because we know that at least 1,700 children living in poverty will not go to bed hungry. Not only are we the first preschool Meals on Wheels in the nation, we also are a vital link to community services for the families we serve. Our drivers know the families and their children, and we regularly refer them to services and classes to help them escape poverty. Information like financial planning, home buying, language services, entrepreneur classes, tax advice, computer classes, health fairs, immunization, insurance, and much more. Kids Meals want to empower families to help themselves, making a better future for their children. Since April 2008, Kids Mills has established a strong 20-member board of directors and a 30-member advisory board, building a foundation that allows us to feed hungry children for many years to come. Kids Mills serves more than 2,000 children daily. This growth is due to effective leveraging of community volunteers, partnerships with foundations, corporations, and community organizations like the Neighborhood Center and the Houston Food Bank. We are in desperate need of more space. In order to grow, we need to have our own building. We could feed thousands more if we had a facility to house more volunteers and expand our pantry services. Our goals are simple. If we have more resources, we can feed more children. When we can feed children, we make sure that their brains are developing, their bodies are growing up healthy, putting them on the pathway of success. Kids Mills is a gap-filling organization. No one else is serving food and secure preschoolers. We can serve as a national model for other organizations to take care of the kids in their area.